Okay, according to CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin is officially $10,000. Now, we saw this coming a mile away. We knew at around 9,000 just by the way the charts looked and all the indicators. Um, Bitcoin was likely going to get to that symbolic $10,000 that everybody's been waiting for. Now what? Now that Bitcoin is at $10,000 on some exchanges, now not all exchanges, so if you look here, um, the only ones is BitThumb, BitFlyer, CoinOne. Okay, so some of these other exchanges, it's over $10,000, and there might be some room for arbitrage here. As you can see here, you could buy at $9,899 and go and sell on BitFlyer for $10,249. So a lot of arbitrage opportunities here. So what next? Bitcoin's $10,000. Do I think Bitcoin's going to go to $20,000 or $100,000? I think that there's a lot of money out there. Okay, there's only $300 billion in crypto. Even if you bought it $10,000, that still would be a good buy. I mean, technically, we can get market caps in the trillions of dollars, like overall market caps, right? In the trillions. So I think that Bitcoin could go to $100,000 at some point in the future. Would I buy Bitcoin right now at $10,000? Probably not. But if some people want to, I don't think that's a bad idea. But let's look at the markets and look at some of the coins that I'm looking at. I really like Ethereum. Ethereum's been very stable over the course of several months. The price really hasn't moved much. It's been in a tight range between 200 and I say $80 or $90 up to like where it is now, like 480, 490. So I would look for buy opportunities on Ethereum if it gets down into the twos, the high twos or the low threes. So if it gets down to like $304 or $280, Ethereum definitely is a buy for me. I mean, even at 470 or 480 or $90, I think Ethereum's a good buy. Now, Ethereum has not moved. Like, it hasn't really mooned. Um, at all. I mean, despite what's going on in cryptocurrency, it's been kind of too stable, right? So I think that Ethereum is going to have its day. I mean, this sucker is probably going to go up to my prediction $1,000. So getting in right now in Ethereum could be a good choice. Another one is Bitcoin Cash. Uh, I think the more that it's adopted, and if it's added to Coinbase and many different other places, I think Bitcoin Cash could easily hit $7,000 or $8,000. So on any retracements on Bitcoin Cash, I would definitely consider going into that. Now, Bitcoin Gold, mm, you know, I haven't really seen the same love as I've seen with Bitcoin Cash online. So personally, I would kind of stay away from Bitcoin Gold. And a lot of people talk about some shady stuff going on that these guys they pre-mine the crap out of it, and they got this massive supply they can dump at any time. Knowing that, I probably want to stay away from that, whether it's true or not, because there might be some truth to that. Litecoin is something I've been looking at for the longest time. I remember when it was like under $1, and I always thought it was a great buy, and I thought, it used to be the top two coin, and it definitely was always a buy. It's always been on my radar. I think I've been watching this thing closely over the course of a few months, and I think this could easily go to $200 or $300, and Litecoin is going to have its day, and I think it's going to moon pretty well, and it's going to go up, several $100, possibly, several $100. Uh, Another one I've been looking at, and I've talked about in previous videos, is EOS. Now, EOS is made from the founder of BitShares, and it's supposed to be the Ethereum killer. Uh, so let's see what happens with that. I mean, we already have a market cap of $1.4 billion, And right now, that's nothing. That's a drop in the bucket in comparison to the $300 billion in circulation. So buying EOS now is definitely a good deal. And in our previous video, EOS was like $2.83, and that was like yesterday, and now it's already $2.97. So I would definitely consider buying EOS. And their mainnet launch is going to be like in June, so there's a lot of upside from here till then. So that's about it, and I would like to throw in a little bit about our website, which is buysellarrows.com. We sell a non-repainting buy and sell indicator. It's compatible with TradingView and the MT4 platform. Okay, until next time, have a great day and talk to you guys later.